Hi everyone, welcome to Melissa's Home Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very easy chicken basil pesto salad. This pesto salad is wonderful for a busy weekdays or even a lazy weekend. So we have here in front of us 600 grams of chicken breast cut into strips, and to season chicken breast we have here half teaspoon of pepper, half teaspoon of salt, and for the crumb about 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, and 1 cup of homemade breadcrumbs. And for the pasta, I'm using dry pasta today, but if you want to make your own homemade one, please refer to my previous video on how to make homemade pasta. So we have 100 grams dry pasta, 1 teaspoon of salt for seasoning the pasta, and for the vegetable, 250 grams of frozen peas, 1 broccoli cut into florets, and some salad, 1 capsicum, 2 cups of baby spinach, 300 grams of mushroom, 3 tablespoons of butter, and pepper to taste. And for the dressing, 1 jar of basil pesto, about 190 grams, a third cup of mayonnaise, 3 teaspoons of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and for garnishing on top, some minced parsley. So let's get started. So firstly, we're going to season the chicken. So put in the salt and pepper. With your hand, just season them well. And we're going to pour the flour in. Just going to coat the chicken with the flour and just going to put it into the beaten egg. So just going to keep doing that. So we're just going to mix the coated chicken with the flour into the egg mixture, and then we're going to coat it with breadcrumbs. So in our tray, let's put some breadcrumbs. Just going to coat them. I'm just going to carry doing this until it's all finished. Going to carry on doing this until it's all finished. So now the chicken is all ready for frying. So in a pan, we're going to heat up. I'm going to add in about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. I'm using coconut oil, so whatever oil you have at home. And we're going to pan fry the chicken until it's light golden brown. So that's heating up. We're also going to heat up the pot of water for cooking the pasta. So heat it up on high and let the water boil. Now I'm going to put in the chicken. Make sure your heat is on medium. So just turn them once one side is cooked. Now the chicken is all ready cooked, we're going to leave it aside, and we're going to now cook the mushroom. So we're going to just heat up the pot on medium high and just add in the butter. Checking the water is boiled, it's not boiled yet. Once the butter melted, just add in the mushroom and just going to cook it until it's softened. Add in the pepper. Just stir. Now so soften, boil and soften. We just gonna keep it hot and leave aside. So now the water is boiled. We're gonna add in the pesto and the teaspoon of salt, and just gonna let that boil. It will take about 8 to 9 minutes. Now the pesto is nearly cooked, so we're just going to add in the veggie, the broccoli and the peas. We're just going to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. So now the veggie is soft and the pesto is good. We're going to drain out the vegetables and the pesto. So once the pesto and vegetables drain out, we use in the same pot. We're just going to do the dressing. Add in all the dressing, salt, mayonnaise, basil pesto, and the vinegar. We're going to mix everything really well. So now we add in the drained pesto and the vegetable into the dressing. So using a spatula, we're just going to mix the dressing in. And this pesto salad is nice warm or cold. We're just going to add in the chicken now into it. Add in all the chicken into it and mix well. And then now all the salads, the spinach and the capsicum. And make sure you just mix well all the dressing with the chicken and the spinach. If your family like mushroom, you can even add in the mushroom now. But because some of my family do not like mushroom, I'm just going to leave it as that and just serve the mushroom separately on a pot. And those that like mushroom can put mushroom on top before we garnish with parsley. Alright, so dinner's ready. Let's serve. So here is our chicken basil pesto. Nice and easy to serve. We just take some. Separate, but if you don't like mushroom, let's say you can just put the mushroom on top. Mushroom, a bit of parsley, just put on top, and here's our dinner. Hope you enjoyed today's chicken basil pesto. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I look forward to see you again next time.